Hey guys, how are you all? I Aishwarya and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make these beautiful fabric earrings that I have made in the combination of maroon fabric and pearl L'Oreals. So I hope that you will watch this video till the end and will definitely try to make these earrings at home. And I'll suggest you to make them in different colors as there are lots of colors of fabric as well as these L'Oreals available in the market. So do try them in another color combination and do let me know how was your experience while making these earrings. If you're following my channel for the very long time but haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I have a request for you all that I'm really trying to grow out my channel on this platform. So do hit that subscribe button and also press the bell icon so that you won't miss any notifications from my channel. And now let's get started. So the material required is any base. I have taken this cardboard, then L'Oreal beads, any plain fabric. I have taken red plain fabric, scissor, earring base, earring stud, needle and thread, cutter and scissor, Fevibond glue, pen. Then I'm taking this perfume bottle as a base to draw the circle. So first of all, I'm taking this cardboard and with the help of pen and perfume bottle, I will draw a circle to this here. So we need half circle. So I usually don't draw half circle because it takes time to draw. So I have this jugaad, so you can say. Now I'll quickly cut this circle. So I have cut this circle and now we will fold this here, and then from this middle one we will just crop this. So with this we are getting this two base. So now we are going to apply the fabric to this. So I will show you to the one. So I'm taking this fabric and first I will measure how much it is required and I'll cut accordingly. Now with the help of Fevibond glue we are going to apply this here. We are going to add this, stick this fabric to this base. So I'll quickly apply this fabric. So guys, you can see I have applied the fabric and this is how it turns out to be. So we need two base like this. So I have already made one. So likewise we need this. Now we will start our further work. So you can see, if you can see the design in thumbnail, it is like this. So we will place these two on each other like this and we'll wait for them to get dry. So I'm taking this Fevibond glue again and to this side where we are going to apply, to this side we are going to stick this, apply Fevibond glue, and we are going to apply this side on this one like this. So it will, so this is the pattern you can see. So we'll wait for this to get dry, but before that I'm just keeping it like this, that is the back side on upper one, and I'll apply this earring stud also for now, so that they will dry simultaneously and we won't waste much time. So now we will wait for this to get dry. It will take a little bit amount of time to get this dry, and once this get dry we will continue further work. So guys, you can see this has dried little bit, and now we are going to do the back finishing. So for that I'm taking this, and first I'll measure how much it is required. So I will cut this part, and we are going to stick it over here. So now we are going to add ample amount of Fevi-Bond glue. Okay, make sure to add some here also, and now I'll keep it here and just simply put this fabric on this. Make sure to give pressure to this side here on the edges, and now we will again wait for a while to get this dry, and then we will start off. It has dried up now, and now we will cut this quickly. So guys, I have cutted this, and now we are going to add this LOreals in this. So for that I'm taking this thread and needle, and to this side, so here is our stud, to this down side we are going to add LOreals. So first I will make a knot. I'll make 2 knots here just to strengthen this. And now I'm going to add LOreals to fill all this half circle. So first I'll fill the LOreals quickly, and then I'll tell you the exact number of LOreals that I have used over here.
If you are new here, subscribe to my channel and make sure to like, share and comment to this video.
So guys, you can see I have filled up, and these are 107 LOreals that are total required. So now at the end, that is here, I'll again make a knot. And after leaving some space, I will make knots to secure this one.
If you are enjoying my technique till now, do hit the like button.
Okay, so I have made the knots, and you can see this has attached properly, and now I will finally make, I feel I need one more here, so I will make a knot, one more knot here. Okay, so this is done, and I will finally secure it here. And with this, our beautiful earrings are ready. So this is, and this one is second.
Our earrings are finally ready. Aren't they very beautiful and gorgeous earrings? So do make these ones and let me know how do you like my video through likes and comments. If you like this video, do give the thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification. See you soon in the next video. Till then, this is Aishwarya signing off.